Good night, Mr. Gregorius. I am Edo. I will present to the article that has been given. So, surviving or thriving. School will being after the pandemic from the view of real teacher. A simple look at the recent study by Rosa Wilson, Edward Selman, and Stephen Joseph, 2024, published in the journal Pastoral Care in Education. Okay, the post-pandemic shock. What happened when school reopened in 2021? To school pressure then and now. Okay, number one, before the pandemic, for over 30 years, school have focused heavily on test score and exam. This intense pressure make teacher feel burn out and student feel highly anxious long before COVID-19 refit. After the reopening, when school reopening in 2021, there was a great opportunity to change inside school rush to catch up on last learning, bringing back high stress tests and target almost immediately. The next teacher in survival mode. Carrying takes a heavy toll. During the school return, teacher become the frontline work for student mental health, and they had to support emotionally struggling kids every single day. Without proper support or training, many teachers ran out of energy, leaving them exhausted and simply try to survive the school years. Why school police file well-being? Number one, grade overhead. School system usually measure success by test results, not by how healthy and happy teacher and student are. Number two, the rush to catch up. Time means for healing and emotional recovery was cut short and quickly focus back on lessons and school exams. It is left to the individual. Policies often tell teachers to be resilient and manage their own stress inside for fighting the actual workplace pressure. Bringing car back to school. Asking Neil Nording's theory of care ethics in the classroom. The circle of care model. Number one, caring is conversation. True care is not a checklist for a survey. It is a two-way connection. When a teacher cares for a student and that student feels and acknowledges the care in actually give energy back to the teacher. The five step of classroom. Okay, number one, a student expresses on emotional need. Number two, the teacher notices the need. Number three, the teacher acknowledges the student feelings. Number four, the teacher responds helpfully. And number five, the student show and they feel support. How the study was done. Listening to real experience. The recent CARES visit and different schools across England to talk with 18 teachers during the critical return period on spring 2021 by conducting the focus group and interview. They record the real life struggles of managing student behavior, changing school rules, and high stress level. What school priorities most? Number one in Grandi's exim and cutting up will be on 90% focus. Number two, helping student style in 45 focus. 45% focus. Number three, creating a safe caring culture. 30% focus, and supporting teacher well-being. 15% focus. Teacher report that school leadership focus almost entirely on academic grades and cut up class while leaving emotional safety and teacher mental health severely you support. In the next three, the key lesson learned. Number one, redefine for success. doing well should mean more than passing exams. True success must include emotional growth and feeling happy at school. Number two, caring in every class. Listen and caring should not be separate. Every single subject teacher needs to help create a safe, welcoming space for kids. Listen, don't judge survey. Textbook survey do not work. School need real open conversation where teacher and student can speak and actually be heard. In the next array, building the school family. Three practical steps for change. To build a healthy, happy school environment, we must make these physical changes who to school are run. Number one, share the support. Share the support. Let teacher check in on its author so nobody has to manage stressful student situation alone. Number two, emotional training. Teach all subject teacher how the recognize bad behavior as a cry for help. Number three, safety first. Priorities classroom, quarantine, and emotional security over constant and preparation. Thank you.